Hi, this is Louis from SecurPlus. Today I'll be showing you how to verify the battery health of your detectors, specifically the motion detector today. And I'll be showing you how to change the battery inside your motion detector. Before we start, it is very important to notify the central before replacing any battery of your alarm system. Otherwise, if you do so without notifying them, then it will generate an alarm and they might call first responders if you don't pick up. So, to verify the state of your battery, you'll go to the three lines down at the bottom right here. Then go to sensors. Right now you'll see a list of all your sensors. And on the right here, you'll see the state of the battery. Right now there's a problem with it because the battery is low. So let's go to our motion sensor right here. Right on top, you'll find a button. Just press down firmly, and the motion detector should slide out from the bottom. Just like that. And you can pull it straight out. You'll get a beeping noise and the error message. Just press on it. And the beeping should stop for now. So when you turn around your motion sensor, you should see the battery just right here. You can pull it out just like that from the bottom. And the battery for a Pro Series motion sensor is a CR123A. This battery can be found in any store, so you can go buy it yourself, or we can provide it here at SecurPlus. So grab your new battery and make sure that the polarities match, so negative to negative and positive to positive. Slide in one end first and press down. Make sure you hear a click. The light should turn green, saying that there's power. Now to put it back, inside the cover, you should see a gap right here, which would align with the plastic sticking out. So push it on and slide it up. Make sure you hear the click and that all the sides are completely sealed and flush with the sensor. Right here, you can go ahead on your messages and clear the error with your master code. And that's it. I hope this video helped you to verify the status of all your batteries of your sensors in your alarm system, as well as replace the battery of your Honeywell Pro Series motion detector. Once again, if you are ever uncomfortable changing or replacing your batteries, you can always request for a technician by calling us or visiting our website at www.securplus.com. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to stay updated on our latest technologies and our latest services. Be sure to subscribe to us on YouTube for many more helpful videos such as this. I'll see you next time.